Overwetting upholstery during cleaning can cause mold growth, fabric shrinkage, and permanent structural damage. Excess moisture forces fibers to stay damp long enough for mold and mildew to grow, so always start by testing a hidden area for colorfastness and water sensitivity before treating a visible spot. Use minimal product by diluting cleaners according to manufacturer guidance and applying with a lightly dampened microfiber cloth or low moisture sprayer rather than pouring liquid onto the fabric. Extract thoroughly after cleaning by blotting with clean absorbent towels and using a wet vacuum or upholstery attachment to remove as much liquid as possible. Repeat extraction until towels show little transfer. Speed drying by increasing air circulation is essential, so aim fans at the cleaned area and, when safe for the fabric, raise the room temperature slightly to accelerate evaporation while avoiding direct heat that can cause shrinkage. For cushions with removable covers, unzip and remove to dry separately on a flat surface to maintain shape and prevent trapped moisture inside the cushion core. When working with delicate or layered fabrics, use a low moisture encapsulation or dry clean only solvent recommended for that material and follow label instructions to avoid oversaturation and hidden wet pockets. The three most common mistakes are using too much cleaning solution, failing to extract residual moisture, and leaving cushions compressed while damp. When people over-apply product, fabrics darken and detergents remain in the fibers, which attracts soil and feeds microbial growth. So apply sparingly and blot rather than scrub. Not extracting means moisture stays in the padding and seams, so always follow with thorough vacuum extraction and towel blotting to remove residual liquid. Compressing cushions while wet traps moisture in the core, which invites mildew and deformation, so prop cushions on edge or lay them flat in open air until completely dry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical resources about safe upholstery cleaning practices we just discussed. We provide a community discussion area where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to help each other find good matches for projects.